Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about customer quotes, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you put together a customer quote or a customer estimate in your Xero account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to create a customer estimate or quote inside your Xero account anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a service company or even selling product, you know that sometimes your customers require a customer quote before you can start the job. Also, when you create a customer quote in Xero and you end up getting the job, instead of recreating an invoice, you can easily just move it over to an invoice. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Xero dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged in and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to put together a customer quote, you're going to click on this plus icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and you want to click on this button here called quote. Okay, guys, so here on the top right, you can see this is a new quote. So it's basically like setting up an invoice. So first you want to go ahead and add your customer. So once you click in here, you're just going to go ahead and start typing the name. And once you find the customer, go ahead and just click on them. Now, if that customer is not inside your Xero account already, you can easily just type in their name. So we'll just do Samuel, and then we'll just add that person as a new contact. Okay, next you want to go ahead and put the issue date. So for me, generally it's the same day, so I'm going to leave that the same. If for some reason you need the customer quote to say a different date, you can do that right here. And then the expiry date, I usually put an expiration date just because it gives a little bit of pressure on the customer to go ahead and accept the customer quote. And then also prices change from today until next week, depending on labor costs or material costs. So I generally will put a expiration date. So let's go ahead and just do 7 days. Next, you can do a quote number if you want to do that. If not, you can leave it as a default. And then reference, you can go ahead and put maybe 3 YouTube channel optimized. Okay. And then here you can go ahead and add the tax if it applies to you. This is a service-based company, so I'm going to go ahead and just say no tax. Okay, so here you can go ahead and start writing in your customer quote. So first you can go ahead and just type in the description. But if you already set up your items, you can go ahead and click in here and then choose one of the items. For me, I'm going to go ahead and just type this one up. So let's just do a description. So we'll do Facebook marketing, and then we're going to do 1, and then we'll do the price at $2,500. If there's some sort of a discount, you can add that here. Account, you can go ahead and choose this so you can track the revenue. So I'll just put sales. All right. And then maybe you're going to go ahead and do, I don't know, YouTube marketing also. And we'll do one of these. And this one, we're going to give them $2,500 as well. And then maybe we'll do a $1,500 discount because they're doing those together. So you can see it populates the right here. And then we'll put this as sales also. Okay, so this one's pretty important right here. So your customer's not going to get mixed up about your customer quote. Maybe go ahead and put in the terms. So payment by check or cash, not credit card. Credit card is 3% more. Let's see here. Channel access should be provided within 48 hours. This is for one company and 1 month service. So as you can see, this is going to help your customer understand the scope of the work. And that way, if there's any kind of dispute later, you're going to have this back to reference. And then maybe if you did pictures or you did a walkthrough or something like that, you can go ahead and attach the files right here that would be relevant to this customer quote. So for me, this looks pretty good as a customer quote. And then if you're ready to go ahead and send it, you can go ahead and send it immediately by clicking on this blue button here. Or if you want to go ahead and save it, you can click on the save button right here. So let me save it. Okay, so now my customer quote or customer estimate is now saved. So how is your customer going to receive this quote? You can click up here on these 3 dots and you can go ahead and print it out if they happen to be in your physical location, and then you can hand it to them, or you can go ahead and click on send. Okay, once you click on send, you can go ahead and type in their email address here, and then they're going to receive this quote via email. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to put together a customer estimate or a quote inside of your Xero account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.